Most high-end pool builders lose momentum right at the start because they rely on generic contact forms. Instead of just getting a name and a vague message, imagine if your lead capture looked like this. Here's the game changer. We ask for the most important questions in a mobile-friendly way. We also pre-qualify them on budget and timeline. So you stop wasting time on leads who can't afford you. After the pre-qualification, the leads can schedule a consultation with your designer. Once they hit submit, two things happen instantly. First, they are booked directly into your designer's calendar. And second, and this is the magic part, the system takes all their answers and auto-generates a professional lead summary PDF attached to the invite. You don't have to log into a CRM to read their details. You just open the calendar, click the PDF, and you have their budget, timeline, and site details in a clean document. You get a qualified lead, a booked meeting, and a prepared dossier before you even open your inbox. I can build this for you in 48 hours.